Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. So today once again I am here to take life skill lesson. I hope you might have completed your previous lessons note. Am I right? I know you all are very good children, so you might have completed your notebooks. So if you have not completed, please complete it. So today we are going to see the fourth lesson. The lesson heading is realizing a mistake, means accepting our mistakes, and the value of the lesson is forgiveness. Forgiveness means to maaf karna. As a human being, everybody makes mistake. But after making a mistake, what we have to do? We have to realize our mistake and we have to ask for forgiveness. So इस दुनिया में मानव जाति क्या करते हैं? गलती करते हैं. ठीक है, उसके लिए क्या करना है? गलती करने के बाद में हमको उस गलती को महसूस करना है और उसके लिए माफ़ी मांगना है. और माफ़ी मांगने के बाद में क्या करना है? उस गलती को दोबारा नहीं दोहराना है. वही होता है उसका मतलब forgiveness means. So all people want to live happily in this world. Okay, so for that what we have to do? Whenever we make mistakes, we have to realize and we have to ask for forgiveness. And from whomever we are asking for forgiveness, they have to forgive. But what we are doing? We make mistakes and we never realize. हम गलत करते हैं लेकिन हम लोग उस गलती के लिए महसूस नहीं करते हैं और उस गलती को क्या करना चाहते हैं? छिपाना चाहते हैं. और उस गलती को छिपाने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता है? झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. तो हम फिर से गलत करते हैं और हमको लगता है कि ये तो बहुत छोटी गलती है, इसलिए उसके लिए माफ़ी नहीं मांगना है या उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना है बोल के हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते हैं उसके लिए. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं करना है. गलती छोटी हो या बड़ी हो, गलती तो गलती ही होती है. उसके लिए क्या करना है? हमको उस गलती को महसूस करके हम उसके लिए क्या करना है? माफ़ी मांगना है. अगर हम माफ़ी मांगेंगे तो हम छोटा नहीं हो जाएंगे. इसलिए लोग क्या करते हैं? मैं उसे क्यों माफ़ी मांगूं? ऐसा बोल के क्या करते हैं? माफ़ी मांगना नहीं चाहते हैं. लेकिन हमसे लोग छोटे हो या बड़े हो, क्या करना है? माफ़ी मांगना है हमारी गलती के लिए. इसलिए कभी भी गलत करके माफ़ी मांगने से डरना नहीं है. Wherever I read, please keep your finger on your book and keep your pencil ready. You see here, all of us make mistakes. Okay, everybody makes mistake, whether elder one or younger one or whoever may be. We are human beings, so we all make mistakes. When we make mistakes, what we have to do? We think that others would forgive us. So when we make mistake, we think that others have to forgive our mistakes. Similarly, we should also forgive others for their mistakes. So when others are making mistakes about us, then we have to forgive them also. Not only we have to ask forgiveness from others. If someone commits a mistake, talk to him politely. जब कभी कोई गलत करते हैं, क्या करना है? उनसे प्यार से बातें करना है. Forgiveness changes the lives of the people. So when we forgive others, they change themselves if they realize their mistakes. Forgiveness gives you the power to win over your enemies. Whenever we forgive others, we win over our enemies. मतलब जब हम लोग दूसरों को माफ़ करते हैं तो उससे क्या होता है, हम लोग अपना दुश्मन का दिल भी जीत लेते हैं. It is another form of love. So forgiving others is the form of love, an expression of love. Forgiveness makes the world a better place. Okay, forgiveness makes a world a better place. So in this world, so many people make mistake. Suppose everybody forgive the mistakes of others, means this world will be like a heaven. Everybody will live in peace with love and harmony. सब कोई क्या दूसरों का गलती को हम माफ़ करेंगे तो इस दुनिया एक बहुत ही सुंदर जगह होगा रहने के लिए. So here we are going to read about a story that the forgiveness changes the life of a person. So okay, here is the story, changing a life. By forgiving, person changes his or her life. Once there lived a priest in a village. Priest means pujari. Where was he living? In a village. One night while he was sleeping. So one day when he was sleeping, he woke up on hearing a strange noise. Strange means आवाज़ सुन के पुजारी क्या करता है, उठ जाता है. He opened his eyes and looked around. He saw a thief. Thief means chor, trying to tie all stolen things in a cloth. So Pujari is waking up by listening the sound in his house, and when he got up he saw a thief was taking all his things and he was trying to tie all the things in the cloth. He was trying to make a knot. Knot means bandhna, but was unable to do so. The priest, after watching this, got up from his bed, went to the thief and said, "Friend, let me help you in tying the knot." So here the priest is getting up from his bed and he is saying to the thief that let me help you in tying the knot. क्या बोल रहा है, मैं तुमको तुम्हारे बांधने में मदद करता हूँ. वो किसका सामान है, पुजारी का सामान है. So he gets up and sees the thief taking all his things and he is trying to tie in his cloth. And after seeing everything, he gets up from his bed and goes to the thief and he says, "Let me help you to tie the knot." तुमको सामान बांधने में मदद करता हूँ. But if we were in the place of Pujari, what we'd have done? We'd have shouted, है ना, and we'd have called other people to chase away the thief. But here Pujari is not calling to anyone, but he is going to the thief and he is speaking politely to him. The thief was scared to see the priest because definitely he has to be afraid. Scared means afraid, darna. So he was afraid by seeing the priest. He tried to escape, but the priest said, "Don't be afraid of me, my friend. I am pleased." Pleased means खुश होना. और बोल रहा है कि तुम मुझे देख के डरो मत, भागना मत. मैं तुमको देख के क्या हूँ, खुश हूँ. क्यों खुश हूँ? You are doing to me a favor. And priest is saying, मुझसे तुम डरना नहीं, मैं तुमको देख के खुश हूँ क्योंकि तुम मुझे क्या कर रहे हो, मदद कर रहे हो। कैसे मदद? I have many useless things at home which I don't need. What he is saying? I have so many useless things in my at home, so I don't need so many things. Maybe they are of some uses for you. And he is saying, maybe it may be useful for you, so please take it. The thief was ashamed of himself, and what he is feeling, thief is feeling shame. Ashamed means shame, feeling shame by listening the priest's sentence. He fell on priest's knees and said, "Please forgive me. I will not steal any more." And he is asking for forgiveness from the priest. And he is promising that hereafter I will never ever steal things from others. The priest asked him to take the stolen stuff with him, and the priest is saying, you take whatever you are tying, you please take everything. He even helped the thief to lift up. So many things he had tied in the cloth, and now priest is helping the thief to lift the things also. The huge bundle, he is also a big bundle, and he is helping the thief. When the thief reached home, so thief is taking all the things, he is reaching his home. And he told everything to his mother. He did not hide from his mother, but he is explaining everything, what mistakes he had done. She was surprised to hear everything, and mother was also surprised to listen what had happened to her son. She said, "The priest is a great man." Now mother, what she is saying? The priest is a great man. Take all these things back to him and plead for forgiveness. Mother, what she is advising? You take everything, whatever you have brought here, and give to him, and you ask for forgiveness. Forgiveness means माफ़ी मांगना. किससे? Priest से. On his mother's advice, he went back to the priest with the stolen things. Okay, he's taking everything and going, and begged for forgiveness. And now here he is asking for forgiveness from the priest. Dear priest, please forgive me and take back all your things. I promise that from now onwards I will never steal in my life. He is asking forgiveness also, and he is promising to the priest that I ask you forgiveness, and I promise you that hereafter I will never ever steal again. Steal मतलब चोरी करना. Steal means चोरी. ठीक है? STEAL, steal. The priest forgave him. and क्या करता है? पुजारी क्या करता है? उसको माफ़ कर देता है. The thief kept his words and gave up stealing. और चोर क्या करता है? पूरा सामान को दे देता है और प्रॉमिस करता है कि मैं अब से कभी भी चोरी नहीं करूँगा, और उसने जो प्रॉमिस किया उसको फॉलो किया, मतलब कि वो कभी और उसके बाद से चोरी नहीं किया. And the priest also forgave him. So he changed his life completely here. Okay, so when others forgive us for our mistake, we have to change or correct our mistake, that from now onwards I will not commit same mistakes. At home also, whenever you make mistake, you have to ask forgiveness from your brothers and sisters or your parents, your grandparents, if they are there. You have to ask for forgiveness whenever you make mistakes, and the same mistakes should not be repeated again. Or sometimes when you play with your friends, you fight or some mistake you commit, that time also you have to ask forgiveness, or you have to say sorry to your friends or anybody whomever may be. So we have to ask sorry. Okay. And the moral of the story is, forgiveness can make your enemy become your best friend. So whenever we ask pardon, the other person becomes very humble and they become our friend. So I hope you might have understood the story. Okay. And whenever you make mistakes hereafter, you have to ask for forgiveness. And if others make mistakes, you have to forgive them. So to forgive others, we need some strength and the courage. Okay. Everybody cannot do this work. So we have to pray to God always that grant me the grace to forgive others, so that I can forgive other people easily. So please practice the value of forgiveness at home, or if you come to school also, no problem. Okay. So here we have completed our 4th lesson also. So I will send you the question answers PDF. You will write in your notebook. Take time and you write, no problem. Okay. But you have to complete the work. The notebook note I will send, plus the homework also I will send. So both the thing you will do. So take time and write neatly with proper spelling. So I hope you all are doing your work. I know you all are very good children. So you will be doing your work. Okay children, and you have to practice the value of forgiveness. Okay. So take care of your health and do all your work. You enjoy also and do your work also. Okay. So, okay, thank you. Take care.